How to pass the Red Seal Automotive Service Technician 310S exam, complete study guide. Welcome to your Red Seal 310S exam prep guide. If you're pursuing your Red Seal certification as a licensed automotive service technician 310S in Canada, this guide will walk you through proven strategies to help you study effectively and step into that exam room with confidence. Achieving your Red Seal 310S certification is more than just passing a test. It's your gateway to national recognition, career mobility, and high-paying job opportunities in Canada's automotive repair and service industry. But preparation is key. This exam is rigorous. It covers engine systems, electrical and electronic controls, diagnostics, braking systems, steering and suspension, transmissions, and workplace safety protocols. Let's walk through a structured study strategy that works. Structured study strategies. Step 1. Focus on the official learning objectives. Start your preparation by reviewing the official Red Seal exam blueprint for 310S. Break down the key areas such as engine mechanical and performance diagnostics, electrical and electronic systems, wiring, sensors, modules, braking systems, hydraulic, ABS, electronic brake distribution, steering and suspension, alignment, wheel balancing, shock struts, transmission and drivetrain systems, manual, automatic, CVTs, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC systems, workplace safety, WHMIS, and environmental regulations. Divide the objectives into smaller segments to organize your study flow and stay on track. Step 2. Build knowledge with trusted resources. Use official Red Seal 310S textbooks, automotive repair manuals, and manufacturer service guides. Focus your studies on engine diagnostics, compression tests, misfire analysis, electrical circuits, Ohm's law, wiring diagrams, CAN bus systems, brake systems servicing, rotors, calipers, fluid replacement, suspension geometry and alignment procedures, transmission fluid service and clutch adjustments, OBD2 diagnostics and scan tool usage, workplace safety, hazardous materials, lifting procedures. Step 3. Reinforce concepts with visual learning. Automotive repair is highly hands-on. Use tutorials and repair videos to build confidence in diagnosing check engine lights and fault codes, replacing timing belts and performing valve adjustments, bleeding ABS systems and replacing brake components, aligning wheels and adjusting suspension components, servicing automatic transmissions and differentials, recharging AC systems and leak detection. Seeing real-world applications strengthens comprehension. Step 4. Practice with exam banks. Work through full sets of 310S practice questions. Doing this will help you test your exam readiness, identify weaker subject areas, learn to interpret questions the Red Seal way, apply theory in real-world diagnostic scenarios, take timed mock exams to simulate pressure, and analyze mistakes to sharpen your strategy. Step 5. Use flashcards to memorize key terms. Flashcards help reinforce essential terminology like OBD2 trouble codes, P0300, P0172, etc. Torque specifications for critical components, electrical symbols and wiring diagram conventions, brake fluid DOT ratings and compatibility, transmission gear ratios and shift patterns. Use flashcards regularly during commutes or breaks to strengthen memory and recall. Real-world knowledge for 310S exam success. Master the tools, equipment, and diagnostics. Expect questions on the safe use and purpose of scan tools, OBD2 readers, bidirectional scanners, multimeters and oscilloscopes for electrical testing, hydraulic lifts and jack stands, torque wrenches and specialty automotive tools, air conditioning recovery machines and refrigerant identifiers. Understand each tool's role in diagnostics and repair. Know your diagnostic procedures and safety. The exam will test your ability to interpret diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, perform voltage drop and resistance tests, follow proper lift and hoist safety procedures, Identify hazardous materials, coolant, brake fluid, battery acid. Apply WHMIS and workplace safety standards. Confidence in both diagnostics and safety can make the difference between passing and failing. Interpret schematics and technical documents. You must be able to read and interpret wiring diagrams and circuit layouts, service bulletins and recall notices, fluid specifications and maintenance schedules, exploded view parts diagrams. Understanding these documents directly impacts job performance and your exam results. Safety is always a major focus. You'll need a solid understanding of UHMS and hazardous material handling, proper lifting and hoisting techniques, fire safety and shop ventilation requirements, electrical safety when working with hybrid electric vehicles, personal protective equipment, PPE standards. Expect safety questions throughout the exam. Key terms and acronyms you must know. Make sure you understand and can define. OBD2, onboard diagnostics, ABS, anti-lock braking system, CAN bus, controller area network, CVT, continuously variable transmission, WHMIS, workplace hazardous materials information system, PPE, personal protective equipment. These acronyms appear throughout your exam and every day on the job. Stay disciplined and motivated. To keep yourself on track, build a realistic weekly study plan. Alternate between theory review, exam questions, and video learning. Stick to one focused topic per session. Avoid last-minute cramming. Reward progress with short breaks or milestones. You've built your skills through hands-on work. Now it's time to prove your knowledge nationally. Call to action. Study smarter with proven tools. Want to maximize your study time? Visit www.coursetreelearning.com for complete Red Seal Automotive Service Technician 310S exam study kits, including comprehensive study guides for the 31S exam, practice questions and full mock exams, flashcards covering diagnostics, electrical systems, and safety, step-by-step video tutorials for engine repair, brake service, and transmission diagnostics. Thousands of automotive technicians across Canada have used these materials to pass their 310S exam and advance their careers. Final thoughts. The Red Seal Automotive Service Technician 310S exam is demanding, but with the right strategy, expert resources, and consistent preparation, you'll be ready to succeed. Good luck, and get ready to drive your future with a nationally recognized Red Seal certification. Car wrench.